thank you so much for supporting the Strums. Thank you, of course, Joshua, Kuya Joey, thank you. What a number of Strums, my batchmates as well. To you, thank you guys. Happy Saturday, really happy Saturday. Of course, Abu Dhabi ko. Oh, thank you! Thank you guys. Thank you. Who else are here? Juanin, thank you guys. Thank you. Kuya Muhammad, thank you. Babalik ko ba ako? I don't know if I will come back. I don't know. Of course, I will have to check Mahal. Thank you so much.
Cheers!
Thank you.
Cheers!
Thank you so much for being a part of the show. And of course, Muhammad, thank you. Muhammad, thank you. Thank you guys for supporting us. Mr. Rizal, thank you. Mr. Alex, of course. Ate Jenny, Edgar, and Mike. Ayun, naging partners from Cycling All You. Chismis. Ayun. At mga regular friends namin nandito. Thank you, Ate Nora, thank you! Nora, thank you! And sa talagang thanks from, guys, thank you so much. Thank you. Wala na ako words. For the other Kuya Muhammad, thank you. Go words. And I want to share this talk to everyone.
There we go.
Kaya talagang parte ng buhay ko dito, ewan ko kung saan siya, kaya siya ngayon.
Yuli!
Ay,
ka mukha!
Teka mukha!
Oo, kamukha.
Teka mukha, andun!
May mukha ba? May mukha mo. Mukha ni Yuri.
Kamukha, ayun o!
Pero, thank you guys. Sa kapatid ko, Tishay! And of course, kapatid ko, my brother, yes, thank you. I will miss you. My Alex, of course. Ate Paris Lola dito, ayun. Here goes the song from
What is the message?
Sabi dito to everybody, we thank you all also for entertaining us every day. We all love you and just remember you are all the best friends in town. We are looking forward to seeing you again. Love you all. God, Mom, Superman, and Senator.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for making us the best dad. Thank you.
Thank you, and we love you. Strong love you so much. Kuya Nick, thank you so much.
Okay. There we go.
Here you go.
This one is called Salamat. Thank you.
Thank you.
There we go. Salamat. Sabayan niyo kami ha. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, power ng vocals.
Thank you. We'll miss you guys.
And to our regular Thai friends,
Ako dito ha.
Kapu nila na.
Miss Marisa, we're gonna feature Dimples. Come on, Dimple. Halika dito. You want to say something, Dimple? Dimple. Pangalan mo,
Thank you
Dimple.
so much for everything. Madam Karen, thank you so much. You'll miss everybody will miss you guys. Thank you so much for everything. Okay, now we need to You're always lovely. Thank you so much.
Joey, thank you.
Yeah.